Let's do a quick little meditation to Narasimha. If you can, get yourself into a comfortable location or just listen no matter where you are. Gum Ganapataye Namaha. Gum Ganapataye Namaha. Gum Ganapataye Namaha. Visualize before you this fierce, lion-headed being. He has the head of a beautiful, majestic lion, the body of a man and a lion together. He has large claws. And even though he is fierce and looks intimidating, he is constructed out of love and purity. And from this fierce nature, he has the ability and desire to protect you, protect your wealth, protect your health, protect your mental and emotional well-being, protect your relationships. He is wrapping himself around you. You see him sitting before you, but he gets closer and closer. He now moves to the back of your body. He grows large so that he appears at least 2 times larger than your physical body. His large lion head is surrounding you from behind. His immense shoulders are surrounding you from behind. His large arms with his paws and claws begin to surround you from behind. His body and torso are behind you on your back. You're sitting, he's sitting, or you're standing and he's standing. He's fully behind your entire body, at least 2 times the size of you. Now you feel his energy begin to come around the sides of your body. He's large, he's beautiful. You feel the beating of his heart, the warmth of his body. You feel the energy come from the sides of your body, now wrapping towards the front of your body. He's beginning to pull his torso, his legs, his arms, his head, the mane of his hair, all in front of you. Coming closer and closer around, surrounding your entire body, your entire being. Again, feeling his heat, his warmth, his heartbeat, maybe even his breath. Surrounding you and surrounding you. His arms now wrap around you in complete protection. You feel his claws, but they don't puncture and they do not hurt. He's using them gently to place around your entire being, creating protection around your aura, protection around your body. He's completely surrounding you now. He's completely surrounding you now. Wrapped entirely around your entire body, creating a force field of protection. You feel the beating of his heart, you feel the warmth of his body, you feel the panting of his breath. He's completely surrounding and protecting and hugging you. Om. 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 Narasimhaya Namaha. Om Narasimhaya Namaha. Om Narasimhaya Namaha. You feel him completely encased around you, protecting you, deflecting any negativity, creating a pure, positive force field around your body, your mind, your spirit. He is taken to completely protect you, your well-being, your finances, your health, mental and emotional well-being. Allow him to continue and feel the energy and the force of this beautiful being, this avatar of Vishnu, Narasimha. Let the energy stay around you as you slowly begin to come back to yourself. Continue to feel him, enjoy his protection, feel him all around you. And when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes and come back to yourself, keeping this divine protection of Narasimha with you, around you, through you. We give gratitude to Narasimha, to Dr. Pillai, to all the divine beings who support, love, protect us, especially during these times. You encouraged to take this energy with you through your day, through your week, more specifically on Tuesday when it's his power time. I like this technique, this meditation, if I'm feeling down or hurt or weak, or if my nervous system is just shot and I just need some love and protection. Feel him just wrap around me and protect me. So you can use this anytime. It's a great technique and can be very quick, much quicker than what we just did.